Now we are going to start with Zoology part section A of Neet 2024 paper. Question number 151. So it is from locomotion and movement chapter la vandirukku. Answer is option 2. Okay, right? So fibrous joints, when you are talking about, it will not allow any movement illaya, skull la irukkudiya joint. Then B vandu cartilaginous joints, when we are seeing adjacent vertebrae la irukkudiya cartilaginous joints, limited movement will be provided. Okay, then C vandu knee. Okay, knee joint la irukkum. Then ball and socket joint, if you are seeing, it is in humerus and pectoral girdle. Okay, rotational movement will be provided. Okay, so answer is option 2. Okay, adutha question 152. Match the following again. List 1 with list 2. Human health and diseases chapter la vandirukku. Typhoid is caused by the organism bacteria, isn't it? Okay, so typhoid is caused by bacteria, and adutha the leishmaniasis, it is caused by the organism protozoa. Okay, leishmaniasis protozoa, then ringworm, fungus, filariasis nematode. Okay, so answer will be option 4. Okay, right. Next question 153. In both sexes of cockroach, a pair of jointed filamentous structures called anal cerci. Okay, abdomen la last segment irukum, abdomen la mottham 10 segments. So answer is option 4. Okay, next question. Which of the following is not a component of fallopian tube? Okay, infundibulum, ampulla, isthmus, they are all fallopian tube components. So answer is uterine fundus. Okay, right. Next question 155. Statement based questions are there. The presence or absence of hymen is not a reliable indicator of virginity. Yes, correct. Okay, right. Second statement paranga. The hymen is torn during the first coitus only appdin kuduthirukanga. In the statement thappu. Okay, right. So the answer will be statement 1 is true, but statement 2 is false. Okay, right. Next question 156. Which of the following are autoimmune disorders? Okay, myasthenia gravis is an autoimmune disorder. Then rheumatoid arthritis, autoimmune disorder da. Gout, muscular dystrophy varadu. The next one systemic lupus erythematosus, idum autoimmune disease da, ABE only. Okay, உங்களுக்கு இந்த வேர்ட், இந்த டிசீஸ் வந்து நீங்கள் கேட்டிருக்க மாட்டீங்க, நம்மளோட புக்கில் இல்லை அப்படின்னாலும் with the options arrangement we will be definitely able to answer this question. Okay, right. Next 157. Here we have the phases of cell cycle. Okay, meiosis 1 oda prophase. Okay, then specific characters of that phase is given. Okay, answer is option 1. Okay, diakinesis enna nadakkum, completion of terminalization. Okay, then we have Pachytene stage. Pachytene stage la da you will have the recombination, nodules formation, nodule formation andukku appuram da you will have the recombination occurring. Okay, then zygotine is synaptonemal complex formation. The leptotin chromosomes look like thin threads. Okay, answer is option 1 for question number 157. Next, given below are some stages of human evolution. Okay, arrange them in correct sequence. Enna ketirukanga, past to recent. Okay, so past to recent la answer will be option 2, A, D, C, B. Right, past to recent you have to arrange. Okay, so past vandu first homo habilis will come. Okay, then homo erectus, right, அப்புறம் neanderthals வந்தாங்க, then last இப்போ நம்ம ரீசெண்டாக இருக்கிறது homo sapiens. Okay, so this is the answer. Right, next question 159. Lung capacities ஓடது, right, breathing and exchange of gases chapterல இருந்து வந்திருக்கு இந்த question. Answer for this will be option 1. Okay, right, so expiratory capacity, it is tidal volume plus ERV. Okay, right, and next one உங்களுக்கு functional residual capacity, B is option 1. Right, and next one vital capacity, it is ERV plus RV, isn't it? Then inspiratory capacity is TV plus IRV. Okay, so this is the answer for the question 159. Right, next question 160. Neural control and coordination, brain parts la question vandirukku. So we have the answers here. So pons varoli, it will connect different regions of the brain, yeah. Then hypothalamus will be having neurosecretory cells, isn't it? Okay, then medulla will be controlling respiration and gastric secretions, isn't it? Right. Then last one, cerebellum provides space for additional neurons. Okay, additional space for neurons, regulates body posture and balance. So the answer is option 4. Okay, A 3, B is 4, C is 2 and D is 1. Right. Next, we are going for the question number 161, statement based questions. Statement 1 pathina, in nephron the descending limb of loop of Henle is impermeable to water and permeable to electrolytes. It is wrong. Inge permeable varanum, inge impermeable varanum. So this statement is wrong. Okay. Then second statement, the proximal convoluted tubule is lined by simple columnar brush border cell kuduthirukanga. It is not columnar, it is cuboidal brush border epithelium. Okay, right. So rendu statement to me it is false. Okay, so answer is option 4. Right. And next question 162, which of the following is not a steroidal hormone? Direct question, answer is glucagon. Okay, right. Next question 163, match the following scientific names and common names from animal kingdom ketirukanga. Okay, answer is option 4. Okay, pterophyllum is angelfish, mixin hagfish. Okay, then pteris sawfish and exocetus flying fish. Okay, so this is the answer. Right. Then 164, yes, again we have a question from molecular basis of inheritance chapter. Which one is the correct product of DNA dependent RNA polymerase? RNA polymerase எந்த reaction catalyze பண்ணும்? Transcription reaction catalyze பண்ணும். Okay, so we have here the DNA sequence இருக்கு, 3 prime ல இருந்து 5 prime ல start பண்ணிருக்காங்க நம்மளுக்கு. Okay, so here the answer is option, உங்களுக்கு இந்த last 2 statements ல 2 answers ல கரெக்டாக பார்த்துக்கோங்க. இந்த இடத்துல UAAGU. ஓகே, ஸோ ஆன்சர் இஸ் 5 prime to 3 prime. இந்த ஸ்டேட்மெண்ட் தான், இந்த சீக்வன்ஸ் தான் உங்களுக்கு கரெக்ட். ஓகே, ஆப்ஷன் 3 இஸ் தி கரெக்ட் ஆன்சர். ஓகே, ஸோ வென் யூ ஆர் ரைட்டிங், யூ வில் பி ரைட்டிங் ஃபார் T, when you are writing the complementary sequence A, okay, and A it should come U, T varakudadu ena RNA transcription. Okay, right, இந்த மாதிரி நம்ம ஃபுல்லா complementary basis la போட்டோம்னா answer will be option 3. Okay, right. Next question 165, which of the statement is incorrect regarding bioreactors கேட்டிருக்காங்க. First statement தான் answer, because bioreactors are used for producing large scale bacterial cultures. Inge small scale nu kuduthirukanga, it is error. Okay, right. Then question number 166, 3 types of muscle fibers are given. Okay, structural organization lesson la irukkudiya pictures, as such it is come from our NCERT text. Okay, so first muscle fiber enna, it is our skeletal muscle. Okay, so skeletal muscle, second is smooth muscle, then third on the cardiac muscle. What they have asked, correct matching pair sollanum, location sollanum. Okay, right. So answer is option 4, skeletal triceps, smooth stomach and cardiac heart. Okay, right. Question number 167, which one of the following factors will not affect the Hardy-Weinberg equilibrium? Okay, which will not affect? See, gene migration will affect, constant gene pool வந்து affect பண்ணாது. Okay, constant gene pool இருந்துச்சுன்னா Hardy-Weinberg equilibrium maintain ஆகும். Right, so that is the answer. The next one 168, which of the following is not a natural or a traditional method of contraception? Okay, right, lactational amenorrhea is natural method, coitus interruptus natural, periodic abstinence natural. So the answer should be false. Okay, right. Next question, the following diagram showing restriction sites in E. coli cloning vector PBR 322. Okay, right. So we have to find the roles of X and Y. Okay, kana X is the RE region, isn't it? Fine. Then Y is the ROP region, replication of plasmidக்கு தேவைப்படுற proteins கொடுக்குற region, isn't it or not? So when you are taking this, the answer will be So RE region is responsible for two works, isn't it or not? So for beginning of replication ku RE region தான் தேவை. Then controlling the copy number. Okay, copy number control ku நம்மளுக்கு RE region தான் it is responsible. Okay, so answer should be 4. Okay, right. Then next question number 170 match. Okay, so ஒரு enzyme எந்த bond break பண்ணுது. Okay, right, so that is what we have to match here. Lipase enzyme ester bond. Okay, nuclease enzyme phosphodiester bonds. Okay, protease peptide bond, amylase glycosidic bond. Okay, so answer is option 1. All right, then next question 171. Which of the following factors are favorable for formation of oxyhemoglobin in alveoli? Okay, right, இப்போ you are having the options for forming oxyhemoglobin. Okay, oxyhemoglobin form ஆகணும்னா நம்மளுக்கு முக்கியமான condition high PO2 should be there, partial pressure of O2 should be higher. Okay, right, yes, and other conditions like we have this PCO2 H plus concentration இதெல்லாமே நம்மளுக்கு என்னவா இருக்கணும், it should be low. Okay, right, so இங்கே options as such if we are matching, it is option 4. Okay, less H plus concentration and high PO2 concentration. Okay, right, next question 172. Again we have this question from the chapter human health and diseases. Common cold, rhinoviruses, hemozoin is related to the plasmodium infection. Okay, Vidal test, typhoid and allergy, dust mites. Okay, so 172 answer in option 1. Okay, right, next question 173. Given below are two statements, one is labeled assertion and another is labeled reason. அப்படா இப்போ வரைக்கும் assertion and reason la first question இதுதான், right? Then see, breastfeeding during initial period of infant growth is recommended by the doctors for bringing a healthy baby. Yes, correct. Okay, colostrum contains several antibodies absolutely essential to develop resistance for the newborn baby. Okay, so first statement க்கு கரெக்டான ரீசன். ஏன் டாக்டர்ஸ் ரெக்கமெண்ட் பண்ணுறாங்க, ஏன்னா அந்த ஃபஸ்ட்டு இனிஷியல் பீரியட் ஆஃப் பிரஸ்ட் மில்கில் கொலஸ்ட்ரமில் நிறைய ஆன்டிபாடிஸ் இருக்கும். ஸோ இட் இஸ் தி கரெக்ட் எக்ஸ்பிளனேஷன். Okay, both the statements are correct and it is the correct explanation for the assertion. Okay, then question number 174 match, which is from reproductive health chapter. Okay, non-medicated IUD, it is Lippes loop. Okay, copper releasing IUD multilode 375, hormone releasing IUD is LNG 20, implants it is progestogens. Okay, so answer is option 2. Then 25 section A question, following are the stages of cell cycle. In the cell cycle oda stages correct sequence பண்ணி சொல்லிருக்காங்க நம்மளுக்கு. Okay, right, so here if you are talking about first வந்து we will have G1, then synthesis phase, then G2, then we will have karyokinesis and then finally cytokinesis. Okay, so option is 2. All right, the next question 175, again a match question which is from animal kingdom chapter. Pleurobrachia, it is for Ctenophora, right? Then radula vandu mollusca, stomachod hemichordata and gallbladder osteitis. Okay, so answer for 176 is option 4. The next question 177, flippers of penguins and dolphins are examples of convergent evolution. Okay, so convergent evolution, they'll perform the same function. Okay, right, next question number 178 we are seeing, match the following question. Oxenum cilia flagella. Okay, then cartwheel pattern, it is centriole, then crista mitochondria, satellite chromosome. Okay, so if we match பண்ணனும்னா என்ன வரும், A it is 2, B 1, C 4 and D 3. Okay, so answer is option 2. So 178 answer is option 2. Next question. So following are the stages of pathway of conduction of an action potential through the heart. Okay, so what are all the stages of action potential conduction they have asked us. okay. So எந்தெந்த part of the heart எந்த nodal fiberலேருந்து start ஆகி எங்கே connect ஆகும் அப்படின்னு கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. okay. So first one it will start from SA node, அதுக்கப்புறம் AV node போகும், then AV bundle it will go for, then it will go for the bundle of branches, then finally it will come for Purkinje fibers. okay. So answer should be E, C, A, then D, and lastly it is B. So answer is option 3. okay. Next question 180. The TI plasmid of Agrobacterium tumefaciens stands for tumor inducing plasmid. okay. It is a very straight question, direct question. Then question number 181, match from drug and alcohol abuse landi ketirukanga, human health and diseases chapter. Cocaine, it is from Erythroxylum coca. okay. Then heroin, we are talking about heroin, it is from Papaver somniferum. okay. Then morphine வந்து effective sedative சொல்லுவோம், marijuana, cannabis sativa. okay. So what will be the answer? A it is 3, B it is 4, C it is 1, and D it is 2. Answer is option 2. The next question 182, again a match the following question, right? Disorders, principles of inheritance and variation chapter la vandirukku. Down syndrome, it is trisomy 21. Alpha thalassemia should be chromosome number 16, beta thalassemia chromosome number 11. Then Klinefelter syndrome, X. okay. XXY will come, isn't it? So answer is A3, B4, C1, D2. okay. This is the answer, right? Next question 183. Alpha 1 antitrypsin is used for emphysema, right? Then we have Cry1AB, alright. So it is corn borer. Cry1AC, cotton bollworm. Enzyme replacement therapy is for ADA deficiency. okay. right. Yes, this is the answer. Even உங்களுக்கு Cry1AB 1AC doubt வந்திருந்தா கூட இந்த ஆப்ஷனை பார்த்துருந்தீங்கன்னா you would have answered this question. okay. right. 184. Next question is from Animal Kingdom. Here consider the following statements. Annelids are true coelomates. Yes. Poriferans on the acoelomate. Aschelmanthus, they are not acoelomates, they are pseudocoelomates. Platyhelminthes, acoelomate. So answer should be A only, right? And next question 185. Given below are two statements, one labeled assertion and reasoning. So second assertion and reasoning question we are facing. So FSH acts upon ovarian follicles in female and Leydig cells in male. It is wrong. FSH acts upon Sertoli cells, isn't it? okay. So this is error, right? Then second one, growing follicle, ovarian follicles secrete estrogen in female while interstitial cells secrete androgen in human male being. okay. Male human being, it is correct. So A is false but R is true. okay. We are concluding with section A of zoology, right? We are going to solve the section B part of zoology. okay. Question number 186, right? So mitochondria and chloroplast are both double membrane bound organelles. It is correct. Second statement pathina, inner membrane of mitochondria is relatively less permeable as compared to chloroplast. In the statement thappu. okay. So first statement is correct but second statement is incorrect. This is the answer, option 1. okay. Next 187. Regarding catalytic cycle of enzyme action, select the correct sequence of steps. okay. Answer is option 3. okay. EADCB, right? So if you are talking substrate வந்து first bind ஆகணும், substrate bind ஆனதுக்கு அப்புறம் enzyme substrate complex form ஆகணும், right? Then we have the chemical bonds of substrate to be broken. ஓகேவா? அதுக்கப்புறம் உங்களுக்கு release of products வரும், ஃபைனலாக free enzyme it will be regenerated. okay. So this is the sequence. Answer is option 3. Then 188. Gauss competitive exclusion principle states that two closely related species competing for different resources cannot coexist. okay. So first statement is false. okay. Then according to Gauss principle, during competition the inferior will be eliminated if the resources are limiting. okay. So statement 1 is false but statement 2 is true. okay. 189. Match the following. Chemical coordination and integration la disorders கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. Okay, right. So first one, exophthalmic goiter, it is due to hypersecretion of thyroid gland. Okay, then acromegaly. Okay, so acromegaly is due to the growth hormone, isn't it or not? Okay, then Cushing syndrome, it is due to the excess secretion of cortisol, C1. Then D2, hyposecretion of thyroid hormone in pregnant women la padipom illaya, right? So D is 2. So answer is option 2. Then next question, number 190, as per the ABO blood grouping system, blood group of father is B positive and mother is A positive, child is O positive. Okay, இப்போ இந்த மூணு பேரோட ரெஸ்பெக்டிவ் ஜீனோடைப் என்னவா இருக்கும் அப்படின்னு கேட்குறாங்க, ரைட்? ஸோ சைல்டுக்கு O blood group வரணும் அப்படின்னா ஃபாதர் அண்ட் மதர் ஹெட்டரோசைகஸாக தான் இருந்திருப்பாங்க, ரைட்? ஸோ ஆன்சர் இஸ் ஒன்லி ஏ மட்டும்தான் ஆன்சர் இதில். ஆல் ரைட், ஃபைன். ஸோ நெக்ஸ்ட் கொஸ்டின் 191. The following are the statements about non-chordates. Okay, the following about non-chordates. Okay, so here if you are talking about, the answer is A, B, D and E only. This is chordate oda character, isn't it? Chordate character. Okay, then next one, notochord is absent. Yes, it is absent. Okay, central nervous system is dorsal. It is wrong. So heart is dorsal if present. நம்மளுக்கு heart வந்து ventral, அவங்களுக்கு heart வந்து dorsal. Postanal trail is absent. Okay, so B, D, E. This is the answer. Right, next question. Question number 192. Match the following. Again, one more question we have got from cockroach. Okay, cockroach la irundhu rendu question vandirukku. All right, then the structure used for storing the food is crop. Okay, and the 6 to 8 blind tubules, it is hepatic CK or gastric CK we will call. Then 100 to 150 yellow colored thin filaments, it is Malpighian tubules. Then structure for grinding the food are gizzard. Okay, so answer will be option 3. Right, next question 193. Choose a correct statement given below regarding juxtamedullary nephrons. Okay, so here in juxtamedullary nephrons, loop of Henle will run deep into the medulla. Yes, correct. Okay, media alla statements may it is wrong. The next one, question number 194. Okay, ECG, P wave, it is depolarization of atria, isn't it? Okay, right. Next one, we have QRS complex. QRS complex, it is depolarization of ventricles. Then T wave, repolarization of ventricles in the TP gap is heart muscles are electrically silent. So answer is option 4. Okay, right. Next question 195. So we have to complete A, B, C, D. Okay, A, LH is secreted and also FSH is secreted, isn't it? Okay, LH will be acting on Leydig cells. Okay, and FSH will be acting on Sertoli cells. Fine, and it will be secreting factors for spermiogenesis. Answer is option 3. Okay, so 195 ka answer is third option. Okay, next question 196. Match the following. Structural organization la நம்மளுக்கு first part tissues partல இருந்து கேட்டிருக்காங்க, right? It is very easy to find out also. The unicellular glandular epithelium கொடுத்திருக்காங்க இல்லையா, நம்மளுக்கு ஒரே ஒரு unicellular gland தான் இருக்கு. It is goblet cells of alimentary canal. Okay, if you're taking, very easy to find out. A, it is 3. Okay, answer is option 1. Right, compound epithelium, moist surface of buccal cavity. C, it is salivary glands, and D, it is to pancreas, endocrine glandular epithelium. Okay, next question 197. Given below are two statements. Okay, brain la vandirukku, nervous system, nervous coordination and control. Cerebral hemispheres are connected by a tract known as corpus callosum. Yes, this statement is correct. The brain stem consists of medulla, bones with cerebrum will not come. Okay, so first statement is correct, but the second statement is incorrect. Okay, right. Then next question, we have our 198. So next question we are going from evolution chapter. Evolution chapter la we have this next question. When we have eras, okay, all these eras are given. Answer we have here, it is option 2. Okay, A3, B1, C4 and D2. Okay, right. So when we are talking about Mesozoic era, it is birds and reptiles. Yes, right. Then B, it is 1. Proterozoic era la we have the lower invertebrates. Okay, then Cenozoic era, it is mammals. Then Paleozoic era, it is fishes and amphibians. Okay, so answer for this question is 2. A3, B1, C4 and D2. Okay, right. Next question 199. Okay, RNA polymerase 3. All right, RNA polymerase 3 will be going for polymerizing or catalyzing the reaction producing snRNAs, small nuclear RNAs alone, tRNA. Okay, then termination of transcription, we have the rho factor. Okay, then splicing of exons, we have snRNPs. This is small nuclear ribonuclear proteins. This snRNPs stands for small nuclear ribonucleoproteins. Okay, these snRNPs will be acting as active spliceosomes. Okay, so spliceosomes nammalukku enga varum, splicing of exons, interons we will call it. Okay, right. After the Tata box will come for promoter. So what is the answer? A4, B3, C1 and D2. Answer is option 2. Right. So now coming to the last question of our zoology part. Okay, here when we are talking about this, bone marrow is the main lymphoid organ where all blood cells including lymphocytes are produced. Yes, this statement is correct. And both bone marrow and thymus provide microenvironments for the development and maturation of lymphocytes. This statement is also correct. So we have both statement 1 and 2 are correct. Okay, yes. So now we have concluded with the paper discussion of Neet 2024. Okay, right. So we have discussed until zoology questions. All the best. Thank you.